Hey, do you know what the conditional grammar is?
Yes, it's a type of grammar used to express hypothetical situations or events.
That's right. Did you know that there are four types of conditional grammar?
Yes, zero, first, second, and third conditional.
Why is it important to use the correct conditional grammar?
Using the correct conditional grammar can help clarify the meaning of a sentence and avoid confusion.
Can you give me an example?
Sure, for example, if you say if I will have time, I will go to the party, it's incorrect. The correct way to say it is if I have time, I will go to the party.
Ah, I see. So, what's the difference between the first and second conditional?
The first conditional is used to express a possible future event, while the second conditional is used to express an unlikely or impossible event in the present or future.
That makes sense. Can you give me an example of each?
Sure, an example of the first conditional is if it rains tomorrow, I will stay home. An example of the second conditional is if I had $1 million, I would buy a yacht.
Thanks for explaining that to me. I'll make sure to use the correct conditional grammar in my writing and speaking.
You're welcome. It's always important to communicate clearly and effectively.